Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Honda Civic versus the Nissan Altima. We'll explore key differences to help you decide which car best fits your lifestyle. The Civic is renowned for its sporty handling and reliability, while the Altima often appeals with its comfortable ride and spacious cabin. We'll look at performance, interior features, and overall value to give you a clear picture of each vehicle's strengths. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top for your needs. When it comes to driving, the Honda Civic often delivers a more engaging experience. Its precise steering and firm suspension make it feel nimble, especially around corners. On the other hand, the Nissan Altima prioritizes comfort, providing a softer ride that absorbs road imperfections well. If you prefer a sporty feel, the Civic might be your choice, but for a relaxed commute, the Altima often excels. Both offer reliable performance for everyday driving. Inside, the Nissan Altima typically boasts a more spacious cabin, particularly for rear passengers, making it a good option for families or carpooling. The Honda Civic, while still comfortable, often presents a more driver-focused cockpit with a sleek, contemporary design. Both vehicles come equipped with modern infotainment systems and a suite of safety technologies, though specific features can vary by trim level. Consider your passenger needs and aesthetic preferences when evaluating their interiors. Regarding long-term value, the Honda Civic has a strong reputation for reliability and often maintains a higher resale value over time. The Nissan Altima can sometimes offer a more attractive initial purchase price, making it a compelling option for budget-conscious buyers. Both cars are generally reliable, but maintenance costs and insurance premiums can vary. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize initial savings or long-term value. Also, check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.